Here I am again. I am down walking aimlessly. Oh, my soul thirsts for you, and thirst that this world can't quench. I have longed for your truth, as I've been blinded by sin. Hear my heart cry, I see your light. Draw me close, I'm desperate for you. The joy I can't hide, looking in your eyes. Lord, you found me when I've searched for you. I am running back to the arms of my Savior, into the heart of my Maker, won by your warm embrace. Now I am, oh I am. I'm home, and nothing in this world can make me let go. I know where my heart belongs. I'm home, and I will live to worship you alone. 'Cause for you and by you I'm made.
It's not a celebration. Only to remember that your celebration today is also the eve of Mother's Day.
You are my home. You are my home. You are
I give you this name as a sign of our marriage. We didn't have any family. All that I can with you. So all that I have, I show you. You have to follow and this and you also do.
You've been there from the start. Oh, what a joy you must have felt. 'Cause now I am, oh I am. You are my home. You are my hear my heart cry, I see your light. Draw me close, I'm desperate for you. The joy I can't hide, looking in your eyes. Lord, you found me when I've searched for you.
Bro, last ka na bro ah.
SDE. Our SDE was made by our Mr. Chino Bangko, the only one. Let's give him a round of applause. That was brilliant. Still okay? Okay. Now, at this moment, we will have another icebreaker.
Kailangan ka bubuan.
Hindi na.
Bro, gusto mo mag-jogging?
To give us a very special dance number, let us call on ang ating tahanan. Yoo-hoo! Let's put our hands together for ang ating tahanan. Ay,
Dito naman kayo sa labas, sa likod lang.
you so much for that intermission number. Alright. Okay. Now we are going now to one of our highlights of this event tonight. Okay, ready na ba ang ating Jen? Are you ready?
Ano yung ano to?
Brother Joseph?
No pressure, bro.
You calm down, please. I need you badly. Here. Okay. So, of course, tonight is a wedding. So we will have our garter tossing. But, of course, where are we going to get the garter? Asan ang garter, bro? Chinese garter. Okay, so before we toss the garter to our bachelors tonight, Brother Joseph here will retrieve the garter first from Jen. Ayan. So, once Jen is ready, pero ulit ako ng upuan. Joseph, easy lang ang gagawin mo. Come here. So, whatever you are going to do on your first night, you can do it now. Feel it. Claim it. Okay? And do it.
7% ka na lang.
Jen, ready ka na? There you go. Ayan. DJ, music please. Wait lang. Pakiramdam mo natin. Now while we are waiting, I would like to invite all the bachelors to get ready for the garter toss. Way now to get the garter from Jen. Slowly but surely. Let's take our time
Kamang-kamang. Yan. Kamang-kamang.
Dante ko lang ba? Okay, may I will call on now our bachelors of legal age. Come on forward now. Come on. where you are. Bachelors, let's go. Come on, let's show them that we are man enough for this challenge. Ayan nga, madami sa table number 8. Singles, bachelors. May I call on Sean? That's it. Single. Kid. Lance. Kunwari na lang single kayo. Jam, makali na! Come on! Oh, go, Jam! Go! Ay, buruti! Sino ka? So, how are we going to define bachelor? Legal age, 18 and above. Not married. Oh. Taken but not married. Who else? Ayan na. Come on guys, come on. Just for fun. Just for fun. Yes, thank you. Let's give a round of applause for our brave young man who said yes for the challenge. So you know the mechanics of the game? Okay. Easy. Mechanics is easy. So Joseph will toss the garter, and whoever will catch the garter will be our bachelor for tonight. The lucky bachelor for tonight. Oh, wala nga atras ko. Alam ko yung tinagwa ko. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on the center. Roll ka kaya. Okay. Music tayo dyan, DJ. Are you all ready? Whenever you're ready, Joseph. In 3, 2, 1, toss the garter! Oy, bakit? Oy, iwasan! Huwag ko iwasan, hindi kayo makakapapasawan. Okay. Hindi tayo dito uuwi o makakasalunan. Walang uuwi na hindi nasasalo ang garter. Again. On my count. 3, 2, 1, and toss the garter! Kunin mo na yan. Okay. What's your name, your address, and your account number? Harold. Thank you so much. Harold, nice meeting you, bro. We're gonna find a partner for you tonight. The rest of the bachelors, thank you for participating. Thank you. Sabi nila, yes, hindi ako. Ayaw ko nila makasawa. They're not ready yet. Okay. Anyway, now let's call on our eligible bachelorettes to please come forward. Of course. Table number, ano yan? Ano? What's your table number? 7, come on!
Sa'yo ko sana yung ano
I can see you guys. Even if I don't see you, someone can see you. Come on, mga ladies, come on. Just for fun. Okay. Ano, isa na lang ba? Uy, isa lang ba ang bachelorette natin? Ha? Uy, bakit naman ganun? Uy, ano man yan? Okay, dito sa table na to, madaming ano. Anyway guys, hindi lang naman to sasalo. It's exposing yourself to people. Table number 7, please. Special mention. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, guys, look at them now. Can you please face the front, backward, whatever. Okay. So guys, yung hindi makakasalo, alam nyo na, padami sa pipilian. Okay, Jen, may I please request you to please step forward and turn around, not around, just halfway, and toss the bouquet. Simple mechanics. Whoever catch the bouquet will be the partner of our eligible bachelor tonight. Are you ladies ready? Ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, in my count, in 3, 2, 1, and toss the bouquet! Yeah. They are. Congratulations. Tuwang-tuwa sila. Yan yung pinapili. Can I borrow this chair, please? Ayan. Picture muna tayo with our bachelor and bachelorette for tonight. Ayan. Picture muna tayo and then I will tell you what we are going to do next. Ayan. Picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. And 1, 2, 3, smile.
Brother, doon mo sila punta mamaya. Pila tutulong kay Joseph.
Okay. Harold, this is your time. So a while ago we had our retrieval of the partner. Now you will put it now to your partner. What's your name? Okay. Now you will walk your way to your partner in and put the partner to her. And do what Joseph done a while ago. Ayan na, go! Isingin mo na yan! Yes! Yes, very good! Ayan, and then you have to put the butter. You choose left or right. Ayan na, luhod ka naman po. Ayan. Higher! 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 We have children and kids around. That's enough na daw. Thank you so much. Okay, please stay for a while. We have another game. And we call this game the Mirrors Game. Please stay. Harold, yeah, both of you. And our lovely couple, can you please go down again? Sorry, I keep on calling you back and forth. And Harold, please, you stay. We have a game. Where's Joseph? Come on. Alright, so Tin and Jen, please stand back to back. Ayan, talikuran kayo. Hindi, no, you're not gonna... It's a different mirror, not the mirroring that we used to. Joseph, dito ka. And Jam, please there. Now, hold Jam's hand and the other so that you will be close. Yeah. So we will call this game Mirror's Game. What is Mirror's Game? I will ask Joseph to kiss Jen in 5 different areas. It's up to you entirely where you want it. Okay, just be yourself because we have kids around. And then, Harold here on the other side will do the same thing. Oh, ikaw na bahala. Okay, are we all ready? Okay, Joseph, first kiss. Oy, at the edge of the lip, straight away. Okay, Harold? Done? Okay, stop. Next, Joseph. Next kiss. Oh, sali. Oh my goodness. Harold, do the honors. Yay! Third kiss. Joseph, do the honors. Oy, sa braso. Harold, do the same. Ay, oy. Baka mamaya sa kilikili na punta nito. Fourth kiss. Brother Joseph, go. Oy, 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 oy. Oy! Chest. Where the heart is. Okay, Harold. Do the same. Oy! Last but not the least, Joseph, do the honors. Isayaw pa. Tummy down, yan. Harold, and do the honors, please. There you are. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, at this point now, yeah, but this is for sure now. You can go back to your seat up the stage. Oh, be careful lang, please. There you are. Now, to give us another surprise number that the couple doesn't know, let us welcome our friends from the CFC. Palakpakan naman kayo dyan! Okay, let's come forward.
Soy, ako mag-video.
Okay, kasama ka dito.
Ronan, sili ka Ronan. Hello, Robert.
Ano ba yan? Dito. Bro, hindi namin nakapisa. Paparami na natin.
Pamparami ng mali lang to.
Bro, paano? Bro.
Tingin lang tayo doon sa blackboard. Roster!
Ay, tawa. Bro, Bro, sir. Bro. Ano to? Final practice? Pwede.
Practice ba ka? Practice. Bro, ganyan ang ngipin niya.